Look for more.
No, I don't want to.
Look for more.
I don't want to.
Look for more.
They stole our Jello shots because me and Jeff were having too much fun. Hey! Oh, come on. Back to the fridge. Oh wait, I'm gonna look. Okay. Ooh, I just dropped one on the floor. Who cares though? I just had some. We stole them back. This is the original. That was fun. Shake what your mama gave you. Don't break it.
By the way, we're broadcasting live out the fridge.
You stream
Live.
one. Oh. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. We need to mark. Oh wait. We need to mark 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We did down 10. I got some on my arm and on the foot. Hey, wait. I have to show you what it's about. She just broke it. It's okay. Go. Wait, ready? Watch out. Ready? See this? Back it up. Back it up. They can't see that front. Yeah. We need to mark 10 more now.
Sure, 10. Really good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Me and Greg did
10.
Oh, 2. Add 2 more. 2 more.
2. Oh.
Who's bringing? 2 more. 2 more. Yeah.
1, 2. We still have 4 more boxes of Jello and 20 more gallons of rum.
Titty, dirt. On the floor.
Get on the camera. This is Ustream Live. This is Marissa. Everyone show your tongue. Ass. Oh. Ass and titties. By the way.
Holy shit.
Look at your tongue now.
Wait. Here's the condom.
Tanyer? That I broke on Jess's face.